Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
This is Lou here, and he needed his nails trimmed.
And I didn't want to necessarily pay to get it done. So this nail grinder set was a lifesaver by LOPSIC. It's very user friendly and comes with everything you need. It has the clippers, it has the grinder, which has 3 different ports. So depending on how big your pet's nails are, makes it easier. And another thing that's really nice is it has the little light. This is what it sounds like on low. So it's definitely not loud, and this is high. So if your pet's usually scared of loud noises, I felt like this was very quiet. The clippers were very sharp. There was even a little block so you don't trim too far. The grinder worked really well. It was very easy to use and it worked very quickly. It also is rechargeable so you don't have to worry about batteries, and it comes in a nice carrying case to keep everything together. If you're wanting to trim your dog's nails at home, this set by Lopsic really was nice. It was very user friendly. I've never done this before and I thought it was very easy. There's definitely some things I need to learn and get the correct angles, but I would highly recommend this set for anyone.
And that's my point of view.